Oh man, this is life.
Yep, we're camping now.
Hammerfy! Hammerfy!
Who are you?
Who are you?
I'm Hammer. This is Campfire Meals. Today, instead of beans, we're gonna do a very special chicken kebab.
Cool.
Today we're gonna hammer out some kebabs. Most of the time, people will skewer up your chicken, your veggies, toss it on the grill. The veggies get burnt and the chicken doesn't get done. So, I got a little tip for you here. What I've done is I'm marinating a couple of chicken breasts in a marinade of Pomegranate Limeade, olive oil, Ancho chile, sea salt, cracked black pepper, shaved garlic, and I've grated in quite a bit of ginger in there. It gives it a nice little oomph. Cook this about halfway. These are pretty thick. We're gonna talk about 5 minutes or so. One quick drizzle. Also want to get some smoke in there. So it's about halfway done. Let's go ahead and pull it off here. Yeah, that's beauty. I'm gonna let it cool down a little bit. Only burn yourself a little bit. Okay, so our chicken breasts have cooled down. We're gonna get a nice sized chunk. See how I've done that pineapple? Try to get it about that. So let's go there. You can see it's halfway cooked. That's gonna work beautifully. It's not gonna hurt. Get your veggies a little bit bigger than your meat, especially when you're cooking this ahead of time. Let's just run through this real quick. Color, very important. Okay, you're making a splash here. We're not just doing burgers and beans. So, got some purple. We're gonna skewer through the part that is already cooked. Go through that. And we're gonna start with some green. It's easier to put it in with the skin on the outside. Let's do another piece. Let's get it through correctly. Now we're going to do a piece of yellow. Do one more. This is going to be good. Pineapple in the middle. Skewer through. Boom, another chicken. Again, cooked side to cooked side. I need some red. One more piece. There we go for a baby. Right there. And then more purple. Now, this is me being me, because, you know, I am Hammer. You gotta have the purples lined up like that. Now, let's go ahead and grill these up. The reason why you put your onions the same way, that's gonna tell you exactly where to flip it. Now that garlic and ginger is gonna go great with that pineapple. Trust me. Let's give it a few minutes. You're gonna get some char on the veg, not too much. Again, we don't wanna burn them, and we're there. Remember, boys, here at Campfire Meals, it ain't all hot dogs and beans.
Oh, please, Hammer, forgive us.
How can we be campfire heroes like you?
Like, subscribe, face me. Do I have any other lines?
White Knuckle Studios.